So you might be in a weird situation where your settings application on your Android phone keeps stopping. So you may just be going into your settings and randomly this application just keeps stopping by itself. And it can happen for a lot of different reasons. Now, the very first thing I would recommend doing for the most part is usually the easiest way to fix it is just to restart your phone. If you've randomly just installed a custom ROM or something like that, that could probably be a reason why you're running into this problem. But just go through, click on the two buttons or the buttons that are needed to restart your device. And what you're going to want to do here is you want to go and click restart. So when you click restart, your phone is then going to go ahead and restart itself. And then you're going to see that this phone is basically going to go ahead and be hopefully fine. You then want to just go in back into your settings application like this, see what's going on, and most of the time your device is probably going to end up being fine. And that's basically how it's done. It's a very, very basic process. Now, if that doesn't end up working, another thing you may want to try doing is seeing if you can get into a certain settings panel a different method. So if you have a notification telling you that an update is available or anything like that, or any settings notifications, you may just want to tap on it. But if not, you can also make your way down into your control center, and you may just want to go and access a different part of settings if you have the ability of doing so. And I've done this before because I had so many different issues, and sometimes it would actually work. So what I would do is I would hold down on the Bluetooth connection settings, and I would be able to get into the Bluetooth connection panel of settings, usually okay, or another panel of settings usually fine. But for some reason, the other specific things won't work, which is weird. So if you're able to get here, you may be able to go back into your settings, the main settings panel. And if you're able to, you might want to try updating your phone. Now, if that doesn't end up working, you may have to restart or reset your device. So we already restarted it, it's not working. So you're probably going to have to reset your phone. So what this looks like is you basically go ahead and make your way, either you can hard reset it. If you're not able to come into your settings, you're going to basically have to hard reset your device, which entails you to actually go through, hold down the buttons that you normally would to actually get into basically your factory reset panel, and then go ahead and factory reset your device. And that's basically how you're going to go ahead and fix it on your side. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.